Let's make one of my favorite breakfast meal. Today I'm going to use some blackberry, a bit of oats and yogurt and honey. So I'll take you through the process. First, you need a glass. Get a glass. You're going to add some blackberry in. After that, just put a teaspoon of honey over it. Just give it a bit of swizzle. And just squash it a bit. Then you're going to get yourself some plain yogurt. Put some in. Then you add some more blackberry. This is quick and easy and it's very healthy. Follow up with a little bit more honey over it. And get yourself some raw oats. Just a little bit of yogurt on top, like so. Get yourself some fresh mint. There you go, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.